When it comes to easy, no-fuss cooking, nothing gets the job done quite like my Instant Pot. Hi, I'm Belle from the Williams-Sonoma Test Kitchen, where we use the Instant Pot all the time to whip up some pretty amazing meals. Today I'm using the new Instant Pot Pro EPC. This model has 28 customizable smart programs, so it remembers all my recipes so I don't have to. You can see that with just one touch, it brings up the recipes I make the most. This one for orange chicken, for mac and cheese, beef bourguignon, beans, and one I make all the time, chicken stock. It's like being on autopilot, which on a busy weeknight is key to getting a delicious meal on the table. Let me show you how it works. So today we are making orange chicken with the Williams-Sonoma Instant Pot Orange Chicken Starter. All I have to do is press my favorite for orange chicken and the machine will do the rest. So to begin, I have my Instant Pot set to saute mode, just on high heat, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of olive oil. What's great about this new model is it has a thicker base, so it's gonna heat up really well, which allows for a beautiful saute, and we'll get a nice sear on the chicken. So I'm just gonna add some of my chicken to the Instant Pot as to not overcrowd the pan, which can create more of a steaming effect instead of getting that really nice brown caramelization that we want. So I'm just gonna do it in batches. Now that all my chicken is beautifully brown, I'm gonna return it all back to the Instant Pot. Now I'm gonna add the orange chicken starter that was actually developed right here in the test kitchen, so you know it's good. It's citrusy and flavorful, really vibrant, a little sweet, a little savory, it's delicious. I'm gonna make sure that my valve is set to seal. And now with just a touch of the button, I'm gonna press my favorite one, which is where I have already programmed orange chicken since I make it all the time. Now the cook time is just finished, and this recipe calls for a 3-minute natural release. What I love about this machine is it actually allows me to set a reminder. So in case I'm running around the kitchen doing a million other things, at 5 minutes, it will remind me to come back and quick release the rest of the scene. And now it's time to serve it up. And that was what, dinner in less than 20 minutes. That's amazing. I've now prepared just some white rice. Also make sure I get some of that delicious sauce. Yum. And I got all these fun toppings because I love to dress up any meal with some nice greens. And there you have it, dinner at the press of a button, literally. Show us what you're cooking and tag us at williamssonoma.com.